How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with PITAKA. In this video, we're going to be checking out the MagCase from PITAKA. This is a really high quality case made for durability and making sure your iPhone stays safe. This case is also specifically designed to work with magnetic car mounts, so no metal plate is needed on the back of your phone. It's made of aramid fiber, which is in body armor and bulletproof vest, meaning that this is going to be an extremely strong and durable case. It has a very similar look and feel to carbon fiber, so if you're into that look, this is a really great option. This case only weighs 16 grams and it's 0.85 millimeters thick, meaning that it is thinner than the camera bump on your iPhone 11. Even with these metal plates built into the case, it still does work with wireless charging. They are spaced just enough that wireless charging will continue to work while still having the ability to connect to magnetic car mounts. It's a really cool feature this case has, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get inside. So opening up the flap, we will find our case on top. Below that are a couple of things. We have a thank you note. We also have 2 stickers included. Now these stickers are a little bit weird. On them it says that you place these inside the case to offset the thickness and size variances of iPhones. So this case was most likely built off of a prototype iPhone that was only rumored. So that means the case may not actually fit your phone exactly. So that's what these stickers are for. Luckily in my case it fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max perfectly. No issues with that at all. So I didn't need the stickers. Taking a look at the case, it has a very cool carbon fiber look on the back. It is a little bit textured, but not as much as it looks like it would be. It is an extremely thin and lightweight case. It feels somewhat like plastic, but it is much stronger and it does not flex at all. On the top and bottom, we have complete openings for all of our ports, and on the top we have opening for nothing really, but it is open. On each of the sides, we have a big slot for our power button and our mute and volume buttons. Neither of them are covered, so you get the full real experience touching the actual metal of the phone. There is no lip on the front of the case, meaning that if you drop your phone face down, it will make contact with the screen, especially if you have a tempered glass screen protector. But on the back, we do have a giant bump on it to protect our camera housings. Now, I am the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. We have a camera bump, and inside of that we have another bump for each of the lenses. Now there's this ring around the outside of the case, and that actually goes to a little bit above the height of each camera module. So your cameras will be extremely protected, but at the cost of having a crazy wobble on the table. Now my only real complaint about this case is just the color and the material. I love the look and feel of it, but what I am not the biggest fan of is just how gross and fingerprinted it can get. It gets really dirty with grease and stuff, and the second I took it out of the box, it was already getting dirty. It's a little bit hard to clean as well. Black is our only color option, so you don't have any other colors to pick from. Not that big of a deal, but that's my only issue with the case. Other than that, I'm a big fan of it. I like it. If you're interested in checking it out, I will leave a link to it down in the description below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark That Tech, and I will see you in the next one.